And then me, once a week I also have to go to school to take my MBA, like Divine. So yung
Wow!
mahirap
So
minsan
minsan
papasok
ka
ka, may school din. So minsan pumasok ka, naka-full kulot ka, naka-lashes ka, falsies, pero kaya mo na hindi na ako nakikita.
That way, people would like turn and
Yeah, but you know, sometimes you just have to go with it because you have to pack everything in such a short amount of time. So,
how about you?
Hello. Ayan. I think we're all the same. Usually I wake up in the morning and I answer emails. I dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours answering emails, blogging, editing photos, and then I go to the gym.
So, gym buddies ba kayo ni
Nicole?
ano naman.
Nagyayaan ba kayo?
Okay, wait lang. December, okay, to be honest, December, hindi kami nag-gym, but now I am. Para lang malinaw.
New Year's resolution.
And then after that, I usually do shoots and events, but most of the time I really do travel. Like, I think every week I'm out of the country, so when I'm back, I just unpack and then I pack again. And then I do my normal routine. Well, it's not normal, but, you know, attending shoots, events, vlogging, and then go out of the country again, and then, yun. So, I'm probably out of the country most of the time that I'm here.
Oh, okay. So that's very interesting. And I'd like to know now with Gretchen, since you are always mention also the schedule of your games, right? And you
Always
also
have
have
to go.
and
I think we're all the same because that's the usual for women nowadays. Like we try to do as much as we can while we're young. So, parang yun na uso ngayon, diba, multitasking, you try to do this, try to do that, and so on and so forth. And for me, when I wake up, first thing workout, so that's part of my lifestyle. But that's for off-season. During season, I work out.
Off-season pa yun.
During the season, we have training every night. But for now, I do workouts on my own in the morning, and then after that, I have meetings in the afternoon. So either for business, I also have my business, and baka meron din for shoots, for tapings. So depends, very erratic nga. And after that, sa gabi naman, I have events also for hosting, and I tape also for Chinoy TV, for Game Day Weekend. So,
very hectic.
wala, hindi talaga set
Grabe.
eh. Hindi talaga set. So, I think, that's why Kleenex or Kleenex tissue is very essential for us because we have to be always prepared and like prepared to transition from one role to the next. So, alam mo yan, kailangan bihis agad, kailangan laging spick and span, kailangan
Yeah.
maayos.
And I'd like to hear from Cheska, celebrity, so very busy ganyan, and you have to manage it with your kids and husband.
Yes. So as everybody knows that I have 3 kids. I have Kendra, Scarlett, and Gavin. So first and foremost, I do have my meetings. I do have work here and there, but my priority are my children. So I do have a hectic schedule, but my schedule has to work around with the schedule of my kids, and the people that I work with know that. So in the mornings, I take Kendra to school. In between the time that she's in school, I can attend to my meetings, but I have to pick up Scarlett and then take her to school, and then I take Kendra's baon. I make sure that her baon's hot always, and then after that, I have my meetings again, and then by 2:30, I have to be on my way out because I have to pick up my daughter. So after that, I can go back to working or I can do my tapings. But usually, yes, my day revolves around my children. I used to work out, but
You still look like you're
used to
working
work
out.
But I decided to just run after my kids. So not much time, I guess, for myself because I have my meetings because we're coming out with something really special this 2015, and yeah, very exciting time for Team Kramer. And my kids, my 2 kids, and then Gavin's starting to go to play school already. And then I'm going to be starting a new show. From us girls, I'm going to transition to a mommy show. So very excited. exciting. Yeah, so that is why it's so important for me to have my Kleenex around. I mean, I'm really not the type of person to put a lot of makeup. And when I work sunod-sunod, I can't also wait to take my makeup off. So I always have my cold cream that I've been using ever since. So I use my cold cream, and I've been using Kleenex ever since I started show business. Only because I got it from my mom. My mom has been using Kleenex ever since, along with the cold cream that I'm so happy to be endorsing as well. So, so with that cold cream and Kleenex together, so they're tag team. And then of course I have my tissue, my Kleenex all the time because you know my kids sometimes there's a magulo or when they have sipon, I have to use a really good tissue. And Kleenex is very soft. It's mild on their skin, so it doesn't get them boo-boos on their nose.
So I see that it's very common that despite you guys having different lifestyles, you all share the same hectic and busy lifestyle. So I see that Cheska shared what's you with her, but I would also like to know from the rest, what's you with you guys?